control of sea means control of everything. Jai Hind everyone. My today's lecture topic is string of pulse. Now I will talking about what is the string of pulse, what is strategic location of the string of pulse and objective, followed with the India's initiative to counter the string of pulse by the conclusion. The string of pulse first refers in the 2005 by the United States to it refers to the China military presence and commercial establishment in the South China Sea and South Asia maritime Indian Ocean region. After that, the strategic location of the string of pulse is which connected the important ports like Djibouti military base, Gwadar port in Pakistan, Hambantota port in Sri Lanka, followed with the Chittagong ports in Bangladesh, which provide the strategic leadership in the Indian Ocean region. After that, the main impact of the Indian string of pulse and challenges for the Indian military and naval bases, like India is working on the Chawar port and maintaining it in the Iran to counter the direct accessing from the Afghanistan and Central Asia by bypassing the Pakistan. Second one is to focus on the naval modernization to enhance the surveillance in the South China Sea and South Asia and East Africa region to maintain the Indian Ocean region secure and stable. After that, the Indian government is working with the neighboring countries and Quad countries to eliminate the influence of the China and other countries to interfere in the Indian Ocean region. Now followed with the conclusion, India working on the Indian Ocean region, but the modernization of the naval bases and modernization of the military bases in the Indian Ocean region can prevent and stable the Indian Ocean region free from the China influences. Thank you.